this video, I will be showing you how to install the genuine carbon fiber GT-R style key fob case. When you receive your key fob case, it will seem to have a loose fit at first, but don't worry, it will come together nice and tight once it is installed correctly. For this install, you'll just need your key fob, the carbon fiber case, and a small Phillips head screwdriver. First, start by removing the physical key from the key fob using the small button on the back of the key fob. Next, you will use the Phillips head screwdriver to remove the key ring portion from the key. Use the same screw that you just removed to screw the key onto the aluminum portion of the case. Now, you just reinsert the key into the key fob and make sure it locks into place. Slide the entire key fob into the carbon fiber portion of the case, and there you go, it's all done and fits nice and snug. This case can even make this old worn out key fob look amazing, and will of course add some protection for future drops.